Here at Treehouse Supplies, we build a lot of tri-beams, and some of them are larger for supporting heavier loads and massive beams. When this happens, we utilize one of our Tribeam Glulam Brackets. After your tri-beam is built, the bracket is slid into position and holes are drilled to accept the carriage bolts. Insert the carriage bolts, flat washers, lock washers, and nuts. Secure them tightly with a ratchet or wrench. Now that the bracket is installed, you can lift your main beam and slide it into position on the bracket. Again, drill holes, insert carriage bolts, washers, and the nut. Tighten securely. Secure the bottom of the bracket using structural GRK screws. Repeat on the other side of the tri-beam, and you are ready to install floor joists.